Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you are having a wonderful day. If you're new here, welcome. Hi, thanks for joining me. My name is Em and you're watching Makeupry. Well, thank you again for being here and for hanging out. I appreciate you being here. If you are new, please be sure to click that subscribe button and come back and hang out with me again in the future. I'm going to be doing quite a few more of these decluttering videos, so yeah, if you like the lip stuff, this will be the place to be because I have so many lip products and yeah, it's a little scary. Alright, so now we're moving on to my nude drawer. That sounds really weird. No, it's not underwear. So it's all my nude lip products, but I'm focusing only on the nude lip glosses. So here are all of the lip glosses, and there are quite a few. So we're going to go through them one by one, just like we did with the other drawer. So over here I have clear lip liners and primers of sorts. I'm going to just say I'm going to keep my Urban Decay and my Sephora ones because those are still good. This one is from Benefit, and this is the Definer Liner. They don't sell lip products anymore, which is a bummer, but this actually works really well. I really like it because it fills in the lines and such. This one here is from Smashbox. This one is a lipstick transformer. This one's really cool because you can use it to take a powder and make it into a lip gloss. You can do a lot of things with it, so I'm keeping this. I actually got this last year. And then finally there's this one from NYX, and it's their lip primer. This one is also pretty nice. It does a really nice job filling in like those crevices. I haven't tried this with liquid lipstick, but I'm tempted to because it does a really nice job filling in a lot of those fine lines here. So I'm going to try that out and let you know how I like it. Alright, well, let's dive into this monstrosity. Alright, this one here is from Bath & Body Works. It's the Co Bigelow Mentha Lip Shine Gloss and Spearmint. That looks disgusting. It's got a lot of lipstick and stuff stuck in the top, so I'm going to toss that. I can always get another one. Alright, this one is the NYX Blue Lip Gloss. I remember when I got this, I thought it was a really hokey idea. So it's kind of this bluish tint to it, but it's also clear. I didn't notice anything special about it. I'm going to go ahead and just declutter this one. I haven't reached for it in, I don't even know how long. I didn't really notice that it helped my teeth look whiter. In fact, I think blue can often make your teeth look yellower, so goodbye. Okay, next up is this one. I already know I'm going to declutter this one. This one is Forever 21 brand Love and Beauty Cool Mint. This one I didn't really like, and I don't know why I kept it, but I'm going to declutter it because it's taking up valuable real estate here. Next is this NYX Mega Lip Shine. This one is called Baby Rose. And now you're going to laugh at me because there is no wand on this. I cut it off on purpose because it was in my kit for a while, but then I moved it back into my collection. And I cut those wands off because I don't want to cross-contaminate, so I use disposable wands in this. But I really like this gloss. I've actually used it recently. It is really pretty, and I'm going to keep that for sure. Alright, this one, ooh, I'm also going to declutter it. It looks gross. This is a pink lemonade lip gloss from the Forever 21 Love and Beauty brand. Just not the biggest fan of this. It looks weird on the lips. It doesn't smell like pink lemonade. It never has. I just need to say goodbye to it already. This one is called Mauve Lux. This one's kind of pretty. I don't know how good it's going to look though. This one's kind of splotchy. I'm going to declutter this. It's pretty, but it's patchy. I haven't reached for it, so goodbye to that. So sad. I love this one. This one's one of my favorites as well. This one's Bare Minerals Buttercream Lip Gloss. This one is called Juicy Mango. This one's really pretty. Although I'm going to declutter this one. It smells like paint, which is not a good sign. It means that it's old. I need to say goodbye to it, which is sad because I really liked this one. Next up is this NYX Butter Gloss. This one is in Creme Brulee. This one is probably my favorite NYX Butter Gloss. It's a really pretty peachy nude shade, but it's just sheer enough that it's not, you know, overwhelming on the lips. Definitely keeping this one. I've noticed them being a little bit more ruthless with this drawer than my pink one. Alright, this one is also from NYC. This one is called Chelsea Rose. Why is this in my nude drawer if it's a rose? Oh, I see. It's kind of a rosy nude shade. This one still smells really nice. It's pretty. It's a cooler, almost silvery toned pink. I'll go ahead and keep that one for now and see if I ever grab for it. Next is another L'Oreal Infallible lip product. This one is called Allure. That one's pretty. It's like a terracotta shade. I'm definitely keeping that. These lip creams are so nice. I just haven't reached for them because they've been buried in here. Next is this e.l.f. lip gloss. This one is called Goddess. Goddess. This one's kind of similar to the other pink one I swatched earlier. It's kind of a weird color. I'm going to declutter this one because it's kind of weird. The reflect it has is really pretty, but the base color is weird. It's like a weird bricky red. I don't know. I don't like it. So I'm saying goodbye to that one as well. Okay, this one I'm also going to get rid of. This one is from Avon. It's their Blooming Pout. I actually remember when I bought it, but it was a long time ago. It was kind of like this magical lip gloss that kind of transformed colors on your lips. So it would turn into like a deep pink. And you could build it up too. It was really cool. It was nice, but it's just old as dirt and I need to declutter it. Next is the Smashbox Oh Plump Lip Plumper Gloss. I don't even think they have this one anymore. Oh, it's a clear gloss. Oh, it's one of those transforming lip colors. So this one also turns pink, but it's got that kind of stinging effect, which I kind of like. I like that plumping effect. This is really pretty. I'm going to keep this one. This one is from Starlooks. This one is a color called Guilty Pleasure. This one's a nice nude pink color. Ooh, that one's pretty. Although I don't know why it's not in my pink drawer. I'm going to keep it in the nudes because it's more of a nude pink, but that one's really nice. I'm going to keep that one too because it's a small thing. What I'm excited for is being able to put some of these items into my project pans. Okay, this one's new to me. I recently got this in an Ipsy bag. I didn't buy it. I wouldn't have bought it because I don't support ABH anymore, but this one is an Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss called Moon Jelly. I do really like this color. It's so pretty. It's a clear gloss with a blue and purple glitter to it. It is beautiful and it smells nice. I just wish ABH would fix their problem so I could buy more of these glosses because that's stunning. Alright, next is an Ofra lip gloss. This one is from the Madison Miller collection. This one is a really pretty peachy nude salmon-y kind of color. I forgot I had this in my drawer. It's kind of a clear base, but it has that peachy, almost rose gold shimmer to it. It's so pretty. I haven't worn it in a while too because I forgot I had it. Look how stained my hand is so far. Oh well. Alright, next is another NYC gloss, and this one is Metro Mauve. I think the name is why I put it in here. This one's so similar to some of the other ones I have, but it still smells nice. I got these in a little set from a friend, so it's been a little while, but I'm going to go ahead and keep that one for now and see what happens with it. I keep saying that. I'm so bad. This one is a Smashbox one. This one is called Petal Pink. It's a lip enhancing gloss. I used to really like this. It looks like the color may have separated a bit though. Yeah, I'm going to declutter this one. It's really hard to get out of here. It looks like the color has separated a bit. There's a bit discoloration. This one's kind of like a yellowy versus the pink, so it's time to let that one go. Next is a Mary Kay lip gloss called Teddy Bear. Okay, I'm going to declutter this one as well. The pigment has separated away from the gloss. I don't know if you can see it, but the pigment has kind of separated away from the gloss, which is kind of nasty, so goodbye and good riddance to that one. Alright, next is this NYX lip gloss. This one is a clear one. This smells really good. I haven't used this in forever. I used to love clear glosses, and I got this as a refill and backup, and I haven't used it, which is a shame because I should use it. So I'm definitely keeping that. Next is another Bare Minerals gloss. This one is called Trailblazer. It was another favorite of mine for a while. And this one smells really nice. It smells minty and delicious. This one's a warm peachy nude. I really like it, so keeping that. Alright, this one's another CoverGirl Lip Lava one. It's so weird and funky. This one's called Lava Glow. This one's kind of a funky gloss as well. It's a gold base. And because it is so funky, I'm going to keep it because, yeah, I don't wear it that often, but it's just funky enough that I really enjoy it. See that? It's just funky. Right, next is another NYX lip gloss. This one is called Crystal. I think this was also in my kit. Yep, this was another one that was in my kit. I really like this one. I just recently moved that over, so I'm keeping that for sure. Another L'Oreal Lip Matte Gloss. This one's called Attraction. Oh, that's so pretty. I love these terracotta shades. That one's beautiful. Definitely keeping that. Alright, next is a Jouer Lip Gloss. I don't know what this one's called. There's no name on this. It's a mini sample. I really like their glosses. I remember trying them years ago and falling in love with them. Although, this one's really old. Okay, so these are both from Jouer. I got them at about the same time. I'm just going to declutter them. I haven't reached for them. I really liked them, but they're old, and I just tried to apply this, and it smelled kind of weird, so yeah, no. Goodbye. Alright, this one's relatively new. This one is from Ipsy and their Tetris collection. I really like that it's kind of this silvery color, but when you go to apply it, it's just a really nice sheer but cool toned silvery reflect. This one looks really neat over a really dark vampy color, or it looks really pretty on top of like a funky blue or something like that too. So definitely a keeper for me. Next is this e.l.f. lip gloss. This one is called Goddess. Oh, it's also a dupe. No, this was the one that was kind of funky, so I'm going to declutter that one. I didn't really like that. This one I'm also going to declutter. It's the Forever 21 Love and Beauty Pina Colada Shimmer Gloss. It looked cool when I bought it, but that was so long ago. I haven't reached for it, and it's separating out. The glitter is all coming down to the bottom here, so goodbye. This one I'm also going to declutter because it's old and I can see that it's separating. I've used up more than half of this, so I don't feel too badly. It is the Smashbox Illume gloss. This one was so pretty. I definitely want to repurchase this one in the future, but for now, it's going bye-bye. This one's another number 7 lip gloss in Angel Cake. This one definitely looks old. It's separating out. Just like the others, I'm going to go ahead and declutter that. And here's another one. This one is called Caramel. Just like this one, it's separating out. It's old, so I'm going to go ahead and declutter both of these. I loved them though. They were my favorite glosses for the longest time. This one is brand new. I just got this in the last month or so. This one's an Ophir one called Truffle. Let me just show you how pretty this is. It's kind of a vampy mocha color with a gold shift. It's so different, but I really like it. So I'm definitely keeping that because I really like that. Plus, it's new. Okay, I'm going to declutter this one as well. I have gotten a lot of use out of it. It's from Beauty Concepts. I think this was like a Dollar Tree brand or something, so I don't even know how old it is. It looks kind of gross. Alright, so this one here is a L'Oreal lip paint. This one is in Spicy Blush. I really liked this one. I forgot I had it. It's a really pretty mauve shade. This one's still good. I'm definitely keeping that. Even though I said I didn't really wear those shades, I do like this one. I feel like there's a dupe of this somewhere. It's probably that Stila one, but I'll keep it and compare and see which one I like better. But I don't want to dig through the other drawer to find it, but I'm keeping that for now. Another L'Oreal Infallible Matte Gloss. This one is called Nude. Nude with Tude. Just kidding. Ooh, that one's kind of fun. I'm keeping that for sure. Alright, next up is this Doo-Wop Venom Gloss Spicy Color. Coral Tree. Okay, I just opened that up and it smells paint-like and makeup-y, so I'm going to go ahead and declutter that. It's not doing me any good in this drawer. This one is from Avon as well, and it is a Duo Reflect Gloss. This one is called Peach Twist. This one kind of smells like a cookie. Oh, that's actually really pretty. Look at that. That's really pretty. Oh, okay, hold on. I'm going to try this on. This one's still good, and surprisingly, it's really pretty. I really like this. This one's a keeper for sure. Alright, this one is from Benefit. This one is their Sugar Bomb. This one's old too, but this one, I really like the blush. And this one still smells good. I'm going to keep it for now and see if I reach for it. I probably will end up tossing this soon, but I'm going to give it another go just because now I can see it and remember it's in my collection and go from there. Alright, we're getting close, you guys. Next up is this NYC gloss. It is still in the shrink wrap and it's brand new, so I'll keep it for now. This one is called Metro Mob. Actually, hold on. Okay, so I just realized I have a dupe of this. I'm only going to keep one. I'll keep the brand new one and toss this one. Alright, next up is this Bia Bombshell Lip Gloss in Secret. This one's a really pretty, like, baby pink almost. Ooh, that is really pretty. I'm going to keep that. It's really pigmented. I'm almost, oh, I forgot I had this. I really like it. And this is why, folks, you should declutter your collection more often. You find things you forgot you had that you absolutely love. Alright, next up is the Sydney Grace lip cream, and this one is called Chloe. This one is very new to me. Yes. Look how pretty that is. It is like the perfect nude cream gloss. Definitely keeping that. It is new, and I love their gloss. Okay. Next is this Mary Kay lip gloss. This one is called Sweet Raisin. This one's old. Yeah, and this is goopy. I'm going to declutter this. Good riddance. Next is this Wet n Wild. Another one from that astrology collection. This one's Gemini. This one's kind of a rosy gold gloss. I love that color. I'm definitely keeping it. I am an Aquarius, but for whatever reason, I don't remember why I didn't get the Aquarius. I think it was a color I didn't actually like, but this one's really pretty. Alright, we're getting close. This one's another Avon one. This one is called Gleaming Mob. I have a thing for mobs, apparently. It smells a little old, and it's patchy in application. I'm going to let this one go. It's not a color I see myself really wanting to wear. This one's also pretty nude. It's from Fluid, and this one is called Elsewhere. It's kind of similar to that NYX one, but this one's newer. This one is a light blue to very clear gloss. This one actually feels really nice on the lips, so I'm going to keep that one as well. Alright, that's it for this Nude Drawer. Wow, look at that, you guys. This excites me to no end. It's so clean. I can lay everything perfectly flat. Out of this tray, this is what's left. So there were a total of 51 products in these trays. Out of that, I'm decluttering 22 and keeping 29. Not too bad and not too shabby at all. And I'm so excited to be able to see every color here and know that I really enjoy these. I'm going to continue working through this drawer and all the others because I have 3 drawers of lip products. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay electric as always. I'll see you next time. Mwah. Bye!